There are a few factors to consider when choosing the best hydraulic brake for your folding bike. The first is the weight of the bike, as a heavier bike will require more powerful brakes. The second is the type of terrain you'll be riding on, as different brakes perform better on different surfaces. Third, consider the price and quality of the brakes, as you want to get the most bang for your buck. Here are the 10 best hydraulic brakes for folding bikes, based on these criteria. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the HopeTech 3E4 hydraulic disc brakes, best downhill MTB brakes. HopeTech 3E4 disc brakes are highly recommended for the downhill MTB rides, whereas V4 for enduro rides. They are built with premium quality aluminum alloy. Hope E4 hydraulic disc brakes come with bleed kit, bore cap tool as well as 4 extra pistons, and are very easy to install. They offer the widest range of modulation and braking power. Also, the bleeding process is easier than any other DOT fluid system. When it comes to hydraulic disc brakes, I always get confused between HopeTech and Shimano disc brakes because both build high-quality hydraulic disc brakes according to the braking power requirements of mountain biking. But you may have noticed that HopeTech have a sort of religious following across the mountain bikers. What makes HopeTech superior is that they are specialized in disc brakes manufacturing. They are into bike disc brakes business, when disc brakes were almost unheard of on bikes. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list. We have the Shimano Deere XT M8100 M8120 hydraulic disc brake, best 4-piston MTB brakes. The second option in the line of best mountain bike hydraulic disc brakes is Shimano XT M8120 brakes. I have XT on my Santa Cruz mountain bike, great brakes and found them flawless in the last 2 years. Shimano XT hydraulic brakes are more powerful than HopeTech 3E4, but not as smooth. Shimano XT brakes are better modulated. If you gently squeeze the brake, the Shimano XT stops, where the HopeTech disc brakes scrubs a bit of speed off. Shimano hydraulic disc brakes are also competing Magura disc brakes because both have almost similar properties. Both of them use mineral oil, of which I'm a big fan. The only thing I hate about Shimano Deere XT hydraulic disc brakes is its big levers, but when it comes to performance, XT levers do a wonderful job. At number 3 on our list. We have the Magura MT8 Pro one-piece brake system. In the last 4 years, I have ridden Hope E4 and V4, Shimano XT and XTR, SRAM Guide, and now Magura MT8 brakes for enduro rides. When it comes to enduro MTB, the Magura brakes are far better than the others. The pads are magnetically drawn to the pistons so they always retract. Magura MT8 brakes have the feature where more fluid can be transferred to the caliper by removing the wheel and squeezing the lever, so pad contact does not have to be adjusted by bleeding the brakes. Shimano doesn't do this, SRAM does. After 700 miles of enduro ride, I have not had to mechanically center the brakes at all. I can't say that about SRAM Guide hydraulic disc brakes or either of the Shimano models. The calipers are also forged out of one piece of material rather than being a split design, which makes them stiffer. At number 4 on our list. We have the Shimano SLX M7100 brakes. Shimano SLX hydraulic disc brakes is another great option for mountain bikers. It offers excellent stopping power. Shimano SLX M7100 disc brakes are amazing and easy to maintain. If set up correctly, you would definitely have a progressive response under braking. SLX are excellent for normal trail rides, but at 235 pounds they couldn't handle the DH Park. If you are looking for cross-country mountain bike disc brakes, go with 2-piston Shimano SLX brakes. Because if you mostly ride XC and you don't have an enduro bike or downhill bike for the crazy downhill stuff, 4 pistons is really not needed. Just added weight. Personally, I run 4-piston Shimano XT or HopeTech 3E4 because most of the time I'm riding enduro down a canyon or down some steep graded stuff when it just sucks your bike down with ease. At number 5 on our list. We have the Shimano MT200 hydraulic disc brakes. Bike Shimano MT200 MTB mountain bike bicycle hydraulic disc brake set has excelled over the market-worthy competitors because it is unbeatable in terms of the smoothest braking, highly durable construction, compatibility with a wide range of bikes, and ease of assemblage. These features render these brakes the best mountain bike hydraulic brakes that you should consider purchasing in the current year to enjoy excellent speeding with ease of braking wherever you like. Bike Shimano has remained in my use since it was released, and I must appreciate the makers of this bike for equipping these brakes with highly versatile passing. You will be glad to learn that these brakes are made with a 3-finger steel lever. Therefore, if you are an entry-level biker with smaller hands, these brakes will help you in easier accessibility to enjoy exclusive braking power. In addition to this, the versatility of these brakes also reflects from the lesser pad rattling, and thus the amount of noise is minimal. At number 6 on our list, we have the Magura USA MT7 Pro Hydraulic Disc Brakes. Magura USA MT7 Pro Hydraulic Disc Brakes are the most famous and best mountain bike hydraulic brakes that offer you a lightweight body, highly durable construction design, and ease of installation. That is why you should purchase these best brakes to enjoy braking on the different steeper terrains in wetter weather conditions without facing any worries. Thanks to the manufacturers of the Magura USA for using premium grade aluminum for making the handle of these brakes. At the same time, the rest of the body is also made with good quality aluminum and other metallic components. The 4-piston caliper will be easier for you to install and use these brakes. The actuation type of these brakes is hydraulic, and thus they are highly compatible with a wide range of mountain bikes. At number 7 on our list, we have the CNC MTB Hydraulic Disc Brake Set. CNC MTB front and rear line pulling hydraulic disc brake set have made a particular position in the market because it has a unique blend of smoother braking, all-weather resistant body, and highly durable construction. That is why if you opt to purchase these best mountain bike hydraulic brakes, you will be enjoying all the benefits associated with them, like premium grade construction design, highly engineered structure, and easy-to-use tools coming in the package. When I purchased CNC MTB, I loved this set for all the features that it offered, but I was highly impressed by its complete braking system that offered a high-end performance in the face of extreme weather conditions. Also, the smoother braking that I enjoyed with these brakes is far better than mechanical braking sets. You will be glad to learn that these hydraulic brakes are highly responsive whenever required, compared with the conventional brakes available on the market. And finally, at number 8 on our list, we have the Clark's Cable Systems Hydraulic M2 Brakes. Clark's Cable Systems front hydraulic M2 brakes is an unavoidable option for the versatility in design, durability in construction, and smoothness in braking. That is why professional mountain bikers love to use these best mountain bike hydraulic brakes to perform best on their international championships. In addition to these features, you will be glad to learn that these brakes are highly economical compared with the conventional brakes on the market. I had shortly purchased these brakes when they were released, and I am highly satisfied with their consistently best performance. These are 2-piston hydraulic brakes that allow you to enjoy an unparalleled level of smoothness in braking over challenging trials or wetter weather conditions. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.